It's a 2018 Chevrolet Cruze. This bold Cruze has the confidence to get you as far as your imagination can take you. It comes with great features you love: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, wireless phone connectivity, manual telescoping steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. New Car Test Drive adds, the 4-door Cruze is a handsome car shaped in the fashion of Chevrolet's well-received midsize Malibu sedan with even better proportions. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.